What's up guys? Today's pretty crazy right now. I was editing today's video, which is Friday, the new upload, and I was just browsing. I have like alerts set up on OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace and stuff. So an insane deal popped up for a new set of wheels and tires. It's crazy. They're literally brand new. The guy said it's only been on a car for not even 200 miles, and we're getting it we're getting it for a steal. It's insane. So Jirath's on his way, and we're gonna drive all the way to the valley to go pick him up. I love the wheels that are on the car right now, but they're 19s, and I mean, they look good, but we're obviously trying to get this car ready for the track, so we want to get some nice track fitment on there. So we really want to go 18s, and so this is we're gonna pick up. So we're gonna head out. Jirath's on his way. Damn, this is exciting. What do you think?
Perfect. Don't think wait.
Well, that's pretty much it. We got the wheels. They're literally brand new. They're perfect condition. He wasn't lying. The guy was like super chill. He was like, I have an F80. He's like, I have an M3, an M4. My son drives a 335i. My other son has like a F10, M5. I'm like, damn. So they're part of the BMW family. But dude, super good steal on these wheels, man. The car's gonna look so good, and we're gonna finally get that good fitment. I'm excited. Now we're headed back. It is what it is. It is what it is. Jirath really likes these wheels. In bronze, black with bronze, I think it's gonna look so good. I can't wait till we put it on the car, but we're gonna have to wait a little bit because we're gonna obviously make this video, the reveal video. So it was worth it. Dude, the guy was literally telling me, he was like, I got them saved for you. They're on hold for you. He only posted the listing for like, not even, so far it's probably been like an hour and a half. But since then, he's already got hit up like 20 times. Facebook, Marketplace, OfferUp, but first come, first serve. So I was like hoping that this guy saved the wheels and wasn't gonna sell them right away, because I knew these were gonna go quick. Got them for a steal.
3 days later.
So this is the last time that this car is gonna have these black wheels on it. All right, so we finally are about to get it up on the lift. And these are the new wheels. Got the Federal RS Pros. We have some stuff here. We have the reinforcement plates that we're gonna do. We have the exhaust gaskets because we have an exhaust leak, transmission mounts. We have the motor mounts. We got a lot of stuff to do today. So we're gonna get the car up and then go ahead and go from there. Probably just start with the gaskets first and move our way around. Finally, this is so much easier. Oh my goodness, so much easier than just doing jack stands. This section is the one where we're having an exhaust leak. You can tell there's a gap, and then there's no gasket right here. We're gonna let the car cool down before we start, but we're gonna have to replace the gaskets and bolts on here, and then these gaskets right here. We're gonna place some motor mounts because look how low this is. I don't know if you can see on camera, but that's, we need some better clearance. It's a little, we're cutting it close. So we're getting the old transmission mounts out. Here's the new ones. These don't even look that bad, but it's better just to replace them. You have the new transmission mounts in. Here's the old ones. Here's the old ones. The old gaskets. Gonna get replaced with the new ones. Oh shit. Yes. Finally, no more exhaust leaks. Jirath just cleaned off the rust off here. It looks so much better. We still got to paint it though, but other than that, it looks good. It looks a lot better than this side. Jesus.
So it's gonna be the first start after we fix all the leak.
So we're gonna save the transmission or the engine mounts for later, but we're gonna go ahead and put on these reinforcement plates since we don't have a strut bar, just to make sure it prevents it from mushrooming. So we're gonna have the reinforcement plates go right here. Taking it off. We obviously have to do this again to adjust the camber, but for now this is good enough. Here's the plate, and it just sits up there like that to prevent mushrooming from right here.
So this is old engine mount that we have on the car. Wow. You can see the crack. That's really, really bad. 3.
That's normally what happens. We usually work until like almost 12 a.m.
You look like you're giving birth.
So we got the wheels on, the new wheels on. We're gonna go ahead and eat and chill for a little bit. And I'll show you guys the wheel. We're still trying to figure out the fitment as far as like what size millimeter spacer we're gonna be running. And we'll have to adjust the front camera a little bit. And then obviously after everything's done, go get an alignment. So I can't wait to show you guys. Just stick around a little bit longer and you're gonna see how good the car looks.
Many tic tacs later.
Good job. What's up guys? So it's been a couple days since we last left off and the wheels are now on the car and it looks so good. It looks insane. So I want to show you guys in a sec, but first we were just trying to make sure we had all the spacers correctly on. We did end up running spacers because at least on the front it wasn't clearing the coilover. So we had a 10 millimeter on there. It was obviously way too wide and it gave the wheels a lot of poke because it's a 18 by 10. We ended up ordering a 5 millimeter and it did the trick. It looks so good right now. The fitment is like perfect. And for the rear, just for looks right now, we went ahead and ran a 10 millimeter. Yeah, just to give you the specs really quick, it's 18 by 10 square with 255, 35, 18. And the reason why we went 255 is, as you know, the federal tires usually run bigger. The RSRs run big. The RSRs run big, but with the RS Pros, they run a lot bigger than that. And so it's almost it's basically like 2 full sizes bigger. So, you know, we intentionally wanted to run a 275 square, but because with the RS Pros running bigger, we ran a 255, and yeah, it runs a lot wider. It's basically a 275. So what we're gonna do right now, we're just gonna go ahead and clean up the car really quick. But dude, standing back, oh, I never thought it was gonna look this good. It looks too good. What do you think, Jirath?
Because back then we used to have 10 millimeters on it, and you can see the tires poking out a lot.
Yeah.
But right now with the 5 mils, dude, 5 mils really make a difference.
Yeah.
So it looks so perfect.
What do you think of the wheels though? Like, what do you think of the wheel choice?
It's my dream.
It was kind of like a good trade-off because, like I said, we got a super good deal on these wheels. We were considering other wheels, but even in the bronze color, we weren't sure. These popped up. I like the Apex wheel brand, the ARC8s and stuff like that, but it's not too common that you see the EC7s, and Jirath really likes the EC7 look, and I want to show you guys right now, but just wait, and I'll go ahead and throw in a cinematic. It deserves a cinematic. It just looks too good right now. Just wait. It's not completely done. We want to still adjust the suspension, probably lower it just a little bit. We're gonna go get it aligned. We still need to do that. Now that we have, you know, everything set up the way we want it. It looked really good with the black wheels, but now that you see the contrast, this has all been about contrast. You went from the full blacked out, smoked taillights, smoked corner lights, black wheels, black everything. But now, you know, we have the clear taillights, clear corner light, and the bronze wheels. Yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead and roll a cinematic for you guys because that's what this car deserves. It looks so good. Enjoy. That's pretty much it for this video. This is the new wheel reveal. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. The car looks amazing, as I've said a million times, but let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you have any questions about the wheel setup or the specs or anything, just hit me up. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.